Welcome to our RainbowEnglish.uk video all about nouns. First things first, what is a noun? A noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. People are nouns. They can be anyone: teachers, doctors, students, or even superheroes. Places are also nouns. Whether it's a school, a park, a beach, or a city, they're all nouns. Things are nouns too. Objects like a cat, a car, a tree, and a computer, they're all nouns. And guess what? Even ideas and feelings can be nouns. Happiness, love, courage, all nouns. So, nouns are everywhere around us. They help us describe the world and express our thoughts. That's a wrap on our RainbowEnglish.uk journey through nouns. Remember, whenever you identify a person, place, thing, or idea, you're working with nouns.